don't trust nobody. I don't even trust my mind. I'm losing everybody. They can never take the grind. People always switching sides. People always hit my line. Never ask me how I'm doing. They just wanna waste my time. See, I don't hate nobody. Just stay up on my life and I won't hurt nobody. So just stay up on my sights. People always pull me down. Labels told me that I drown. When you living how I'm living, all these leeches come around. So we don't trust nobody. We don't even trust our minds. We're losing everybody. From them drugs to suicide. I was always getting high. Never took a look outside. I was living in the dark, thinking I would never shine. No, I got everybody. If I want it, then it's mine. See, I help everybody. I gave it back when it was time. I was broken, I was down. I was lost, but now I'm found. I was fighting in the trenches with no one ever around. So fuck everybody. If you want it, come and get it. I won't hurt nobody. I'm a motherfucking menace. I was showering at the school. I was sleeping out the Civic. I was skipping all my meals. I was reaching all my limits. I don't trust nobody. I don't even trust my mind. I'm losing everybody. They can never take the grind. People always switching sides. People always hit my line. Never ask me how I'm doing. They just wanna waste my time. See, I don't hate nobody. Just stay up on my life and I won't hurt nobody. So just stay up on my sights. People always pull me down. Labels told me that I drown. When you living how I'm living, all these leeches come around. They robbed all my money and I'll never get it back. I don't find nobody, cause I'm coming fucking back. I just listen to my lawyers, but the judge don't listen back. See, they got this full disclosure and they coming for my neck. They don't know shit about me, so just give me my respect. All the music that I made, I ain't never got a check. I've been doing all this shit with like 2 hands behind my back. I just focus on my shows, cause that's the only thing that's left. You don't know shit about me, it's the reason why you don't come around me. You scare me cause I'm talking loud. You can blow that smoke, won't come around. You can talk that shit but don't know about it. See, I see that shit but I don't talk about it. But I will scream and I'll still be rowdy, cause it's 5 years and I don't know shit and I'm still drowning like fuck. Coming like a hurricane, but I don't panic cause we going through things. I'll show restraint but this can't sustain. Bitch, why you acting like you want this pain? That's why I don't play with fire, leave some to desire. I don't know if I can empathize if you never rise. That's why I'm trying to break through the wire. Sick of looking to the skies, hope this comes as no surprise. But I don't play with fire. So strange, looking at range, yeah. I ain't the same, been biting the grain, I switch my aim, yeah. I run through the jungle, I jump out a plane, I pull on the throttle, no I ain't tame, no I ain't humble, no I ain't plain. I want it all, bitch I'm Bruce Wayne. You know I play with fire, running through the night, screaming fuck it till I die. I'll cut all my ties, break free to the other side. Sick of looking to the skies, hope this comes as no surprise. You know I play with fire. 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 Soaring next to the sun, burning everything I touch, over mountains, over seas, through the fire, I find peace. Soaring next to the sun, burning everything I touch, over mountains, over seas, through the fire, I find peace. My idle hands lead to evil thoughts, that's what I was told. I see a devil trying to creep on up and go and get inside my soul. So let the demons go and hype me up, cause motherfucker, I ain't dead till I say so. Cause I've been fighting all my fucking life, so I'ma sin to the motherfucking end. Oh no, oh, oh no, no, don't you understand that I've been going around this world? Oh, 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 don't you understand that I've lost time and I can't lose more? No, all I got is money on my mind, so just miss me with these motherfucking 50 million problems. Every single day I wake up and I try to solve them, dreaming of a future with some motherfucking options.
We're having a bloody good time.
We'll have a bloody good time.
Yes, bloody good. Bloody good.
Bloody good.
That's right.
What's good?
Bloody good.
Bloody good.
Yes.
My idle hands lead to evil thoughts, that's what I was told. I see a devil trying to creep on up and go and get inside my soul. So let the demons go and hype me up, cause motherfucker, I ain't dead till I say so. Cause I've been fighting on my